So we're going to have a look at a few deadlift variations now. Here's Marc, one of the tutors at Jordan Fitness, just performing a standard Romanian deadlift. Great for working the glutes, hamstrings and back. Particularly you'll feel this in the main belly of the hamstrings when you're performing it. Second variation that Marc's doing now is what we call a Sumo Deadlift. Particularly you're going to feel this on the adductors more than some of the other variations. Third one we have is what we call a Snatch or Wide Grip Deadlift. Tough on the grip muscles, and particularly you'll feel this along the upper back, the retractors in between the two shoulder blades. Fourth variation we have is what we call an Offset Grip Deadlift. What this does is it makes it feel like there's more weight on one end of the barbell than the other. Very good for challenging the core. The other way of doing or providing very similar stimulus is what we call an uneven deadlift. So you actually position more weight on one side of the bar than the other. Again, very challenging on the core muscles. Next variation is what we call a single hand barbell deadlift. Very tough on the core, particularly tough on the grip muscles. You have to try and balance the bar evenly whilst you're lifting it. It's a tough one to do. Next variation is what we call a deadlift with chains. So what you have here is as you lift the bar off the ground, the weight gradually increases as more links come off the floor. And the last variation is what we call a suitcase style deadlift. Again, very tough on the grip muscles and a lot of lateral core and lateral hip stability required. As you can see, very challenging with a full 7-foot bar to try and maintain it in a horizontal position with the floor. For more information, just have a look at the Jordan website or give us a call.